No one ever plans for a disaster, but you can be ready in case one ever does occur to you. My name is Ken, I'm with SERVPRO. We're here to tell you about our emergency response plans. Remember that 50% of all businesses go out of business after a disaster happens to them. Whether it's a small fire, a large water loss, or any natural disaster, we can be there to help you with an emergency response plan. What's involved in an emergency response plan? We want to make sure that you are covered with all location shutoffs. We want to make sure that you know where all your emergency contacts are. We want to make sure that all the people that are involved in that type of process know the information that they need to know. This is free of charge. We help you put it together. We help you plan and organize this to make sure it's functional for your business. Whether you're a 2,000 square foot business or a 100,000 square foot business, we're there to help you during your time of need with an emergency response plan. Contact us today. We'll make sure that you have one in place.